did you go, Kadri?
Kadri, what are you playing?
Wow!
Are you playing baseball?
Oh,
you missed.
that one. You ready? Wow!
No, next.
Oh!
Baseball! Oh! That came all the way back to me!
You ready to hit the ball?
Get the ball.
Yeah! Good job!
Look.
Okay, Kadri. Wow! Yeah, you're doing such a good
Oh,
job.
there's that one, man.
You want to hit this one?
Huh?
Oh!
You're a good baseball player, Kadri.
Oh, miss.
That's right. You missed that one. Oh, Daddy didn't throw that one very good. Here. Oh!
Dad!
Yeah!
Oh, miss. Oh, miss.
That's right. That's what happens when you don't hit it. You miss it. You ready, KJ?
Wait.
Yeah! Look at that.
You hit it! Kadri, what are you playing?
Can you say baseball?
People.
Yeah! Look at that.